So these are the JLab Go Pop headphones. Actually really solid headphone, and I've been using them for the past week. What I think is really cool about these and the best feature is the fact that they have a built-in charging cable on the case. So you can just literally flip it out from the bottom, charge your case, and you can even use the headphones while you're charging the case, or you can charge the headphones and the case together. So yeah, built-in charging cable right here. It is a USB-C, but I do think that is a really cool feature because now you don't have to charge the case separately while you're using your headphones. You can do it all at once. You can just flip it out, and then you always have a charger for them on the go. I noticed that each earbud is really comfortable too, and they do come with extra ear little tips. So if you have like bigger ears or smaller ears, it will fit all ear sizes because it does come with those extra tips. I noticed that the noise canceling is also actually really good, and they do have an aware mode. So if you don't want to do the noise canceling, you can turn the aware mode on, and then you can hear your surroundings while you're listening to your music. So when you're by yourself, you want to feel a little bit more safe, you can turn the aware mode on, and then you can hear all your surroundings around you. Different EQ settings as well, like the bass boost mode, you can do their signature sound, or you can balance so that all the frequencies are balanced, not too much bass, not too much high end. It's kind of like in the middle, so it's a nice listen. And then each of the headphones also does have the touch controls, so volume, calling, anything like that, muting the call. And then they have mics too, so you can do phone calls and all that good stuff. Playback time, or the charge time for these, I think is around 26 hours, so lots of playback time. I use these maybe for like 1 or 2 hours a day, so lots of times that I'm using them before I have to charge them. Overall though, a solid headphone. I would definitely recommend these if you're looking for maybe a more affordable pair of earbuds. I think the quality is there, and I think that they are worth it in my opinion, just because of how easy they are to set up, right? You just take them out, connect them right away. They have the built-in charger too. These are gonna be really convenient earbuds, so yeah, definitely recommend these.